Remakeup ta achiwi khamdaya bauping. Shorkar jishut me being private tuition mukhui bai marada Manipur Shorkar na hangmatin haira. Numba Plokwi PMGSY Lima Kamashung Layada RDBR Minister na Officer Akali suspend sa haira. Laikhayang ator aju the Tangkhul Expressway bau Iknguira Shimray ina bamidalay bau bing may sa ay nanganangarumsa. Shorkar worship which should me being na private tuition kumisa ka mamayamarada Manipur Shorkar na hangmatin haira. BTI bau ati shuda private tuition kui kami Shorkar worship we should me being the disciplinary action kuirada Commissioner of Education H. Kian Berkashna Hortang Memorandum Mishoga. Department of Education we azingli osada khalai chishut megai kana private tuitions kui kami la maninga ka coaching centers lila od kasa leida lei chi hi thei kui hairada chikna chile mamayamara ta hanga PMGSY od kasa lima kamishung khalewi maramwi wang akhwa akhali suspense haira official baw atishu da None district Numba block Rengpang to Mongcharon Kolanwi, Shonfu Assembly, Makangayele Hawada, Manipur Rural Development Panchayati Raj Minister, Yumnam Kanchantna, Odji Yangasanga Officer Chile Suspensa Kahaina. Maram Chi Facebook League Bishop da Makamashung Od Gasa Gachivali, Ayinwe Atishu da Sara, Makamashung Od Gasa Tayanka, Ayin Atishu da Necessary Action Kurada, Minister Kamchan Nahanga. Official Baw Atishu da Suspensa Gahaya EE in charge. RET we OSD do EC, Wordson Sarya we Tungli Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department na disciplinary proceeding kuida suspensa gahaina. Suspensa da kalaya jamli Wordson Sarya na authority we kamayamazang la infal we aina mga tibay maraji haira. Itum na taybay ajahan tang Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na gahang BMGSY Phase 1 aina 2 azingli Hill Districts Madiwi Shonfu Semkwai luba 1,700 crore gagaman we fund Shijingwe gahai leya Rengbang to Mongcharon Kulan we Shonfu Semkwai mi gahai luba Shijingwe gahai we action Kwiran Kwiluda MBCC na timan saya.
Walk-in interview in Iknguira. R&T Institute and Aviation Academy is yet again coming back to Iknguira on 20th of October from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. at Salom Cafe, Winovajai, Iknguira. R&T Institute is one of the leading aviation academy in the Northeast. With 100% placement assistant record and a lot of young candidates from Iknguira have been placed in different airlines and few are still undergoing the training. All interested candidates may call or WhatsApp the given number for registration. The institute is open for both male and female candidates. Hurry up, register now.
Iknguira Bazar Li Road Safety Kala Traffic Ayin Mathamaida Shur Khawai Wivang Aya Rally Zachite Haira Rally Chili Iknguira District with Deputy Commissioner IAS Krishna Kumar SPIBS Nishyam Bashum Additional DC ATM Jonglengmang Kipkan, Additional SP MBS Samir, Iknguira DTO Officer Wahitur Raman, Iknguira STO Saran Choi Singh, ADC Small Town we OST Kala DLS being the Rally Jili Sharukuya. Rally Gazip Jili Iknguira District with DC IAS Krishna Kumar Nagahang.
So today in collaboration with the District Transport Office and Superintendent of Police, District Administration has conducted road safety awareness drive in the district headquarters itself. The purpose behind to make the aware all the general public side also and all the government official also how to follow all the measures to avoid any kind of untoward situation and accident on the road itself.
Iknguira di masangla traffic light la sanghaura kala yariwi kari kham khawai parking pam la sem khawai sa daleda DC china hanga ishi baumena DDO ling atingda anagahang rally gazachi yari pingli road sign kala rules thenga sak la chili shuda accident kala penalty suidang saksa gachi ningri naina makhok khamina Online li kari register sa khawai kala valid documents license la RC katha Tangkhul khawai kala Ukraine hili traffic jam malai la Shimray aina leng sa khawai kasana da hanga. Ukraine district li ariri gari thingshini shikhana register sa hai dalai kha kajangka dukrul we apamli yanga kha thing phangala magaran manada DTO Wahidur Rahman na hangsanga. Indian Evangelical Mission Namakok Kami Tangkhul Shinong Crusade Aya Down Holy Hopokhaira Crusade che Christian Women and Today's World Gachi Hina Dugui Sada Zibiksho Kuchum Tangwe Wang Rumiki Gachina Crusade Chili Faith Ministry We Aina Guirumla Nirichon Chris Lunglankala Indian Evangelical Mission We Mission Coordinator of Guirumla Achui Shimray Ani Kanina Resource Person Samidale Indian Evangelical Mission we Crusade Chile, Shinao Bina Kachot Kachang Struggle Sampangda Kale, Shinao San we Influence Kala, Pangshapina Kamadaya, Jibong Sada Damgarum Kidaleya. Tangkhul Shinao Crusade Chi Akamagup Sangra. Ukraine District Olympic Association da Ajantang 44 Ukraine AC MLA Ramuivana President Salaga Akasem Haira Lakavak Ukraine District Sports Association Zangda Kasem Ukraine District Sports Association we election Maram Nasan Kavai General Body Meeting Pamukida Laidale UTSA Ling Soda Kasem Ukraine District Olympic Association we Interim President Punjan Raikhanna Ajantang Tarik Tharathang Kanghot Migashoga Tishuda, Ukraine District Later Clay Sports Association Saigora Zanglaga, UTOA we General Body Meeting, Achuwi Darik Magada Taruktang, Bamkida Leya. Gazipche Ukraine District Sports Association we Office, Vino Bazar Ling Ashun, Pung Aka Libamra, Gazip Chili Madaila Gaina, Ukraine District Olympic Association we Constitution Kala, Election Schedule Aina, Mortalities Maramling Asanra Dahanga. Tangkhul Nagalong Minganin 2022 to 26 with draft publication Ponghaira. Draft chi brief reading Mishung Sankawai Achuwi Direct Tarada Chishet we Alungli. Kuku we electoral roll list 2022 to 26 chi Rayang Misir Kawaila DNL Nang Hothaira. Long Jinagahang Adam Migahai Hiwi Alungli. Marayang Sangaka final publication with Chili. Mangache Sanglui by Marada Chishathaira. Senapati District Li Kari Accident Shock the Mikni Tiaira, Daraka Sazahaira. Garong Tong Aina Mount Zion Secondary School Madagli Winger Aina Alto Karaka, Nadagda Winger Chi Barakong Lidazang Hawa, Jilimi Kni Tigahaina. Winger China Infal Shongaina Mitarada Gatum Pungzet Gasana, although China Maram Shongaina Rara Gasana. Kalashachi Ayang Torpung Shini Shikali Gashok Nada Police Nahanga. Sasagahai Ping Chili Sanabadi District Hospital Li Vangaha Hawa, Kalasha Chili Tisangahai Chi Kanini Mayer Nauna, Akana Zingum Chumrada Kani, Akana Zingum Magadamadi, Ani Kanini Uttar Pradesh Wimina, Gatingun Chenims Morgli Bos Murtem Wivang Quiva Hawa. Ochot Wivang Sanabadi Police Station the case register Sahira da Police Nahanga. Justice Diwai Chandrachutna, CJI Ngapam Kwihora Dale. India we Chief Justice Ye Arire Yude Umesh Lalit na Sadale, Kala Alishin Kwai Lalit na Justice Diwai Chandrachutwi Amir recommend Sahira. Lalit na CGI Ngapamai na Achuwi Ngapai Darik Jishethang Redire Zahogi Gachina, and we teaching the senior most judge Sada Kale Justice Chandrachutna Ngapai Darik Jigotang Otpam Jingashit Kwilaga 2024 Kum Ngapai Darik Taratang Ngapam Jiva Jihonaura. Ajahon Darik Shinidang Union Law Ministry na Ladid Liga Bivada Awi Mahuchin Kawai Aming Hang Kawai Bovahira Sai Justice Chandrachuthi Delhi University Wiaina LLB Kuplaga Harvard University Li LLM Ainan Doctorate in Juridical Sciences Vadam Kuya Chandrachutna Advocate Sada Supreme Court Li Osahira La Bombay High Court We Judge Masarang Laga Gujarat, Calcutta, Allahabad, Madhya Pradesh, Kala, Delhi High Courts, Lila or Sahira Saya. Amazing Namaste Foundation with Chairman Adul Gulkarnina, Hortang Ukraine Football Club Academy Li Sampang Haira. Ukraine FC Home Derf Langtang Li Unda Adul Nagahang, and a Ukraine FC with infrastructure, Tekwi Kawaila, Kanutot Country Take Kangareo being Liga Gadom Chitata Kawungasana. Ukraine India Team League Zang Adam Honjijing Leda Adul Napongshoka. IIM Shillong wi board member la sada khlei adu golgarni yaw khungji Ukraine FC wi bang la ring pha nga saya ichamchamla ga ha Ukraine FC home jerfli adu golgarni ga tha mohola ga hai mi khungala anaga gadom chithaida gagazum tri khami jiwi uglung ring pha gala ningishi Ukraine FC wi managing director Angari Singh Zimik na phongshoka bawhi Ukraine Times wi aina ga khwina that Luida Achiwi Kamadaya Bauping. Shorkar Jishut me being private tuition Mukui by Marada Manipur Shorkar na Hangmatin Haira. Numba Plokwi, PMGSY Lima Kamashung Layada, RDBR Minister na Officer Akali suspend Sahira. Achiwi pau hiling Changhira, Baungana Daklena Tumsai Gorali, Ringapagala Kamahaya Zmiksho, Sasir Renu.